Welcome to American English with Sushil.
Hello, everyone. Today we are going to learn how to talk about your daily life in English. Let's begin with a simple story about my day. Try to repeat the sentences and learn with me. I usually wake up at 6:30 in the morning. The first thing I do is open my window and take a deep breath. I love the fresh morning air. It helps me feel calm and ready for the day. After that, I go to the bathroom and brush my teeth. I wash my face and look in the mirror with a smile. It's important to start the day with a positive mindset. Then I prepare my breakfast. Today I made some toast and a cup of milk tea. While eating, I think about my goals and plans for the day. After breakfast, I sit at my desk and check my YouTube channel. I read comments and try to reply to as many as I can. Your support really motivates me. In the afternoon, I go outside for a walk or a short bike ride. It helps me stay active and gives me new ideas for my videos. Later, I come back and work on my next video. I write the script, choose the photos, and start editing. Creating content takes time, but I enjoy every part of it. In the evening, I take some time to relax. I watch a few English videos or read something interesting. It helps me learn and improve. Before going to bed, I write down what I did today. Then I close my eyes and think about what I'm grateful for. A good day always ends with peace. Thank you for spending the day with me. I hope you learned some useful English expressions today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and join our English learning family. See you in the next video.